Okay, hello, and welcome to the Howard County Fair 2026. We had a great exhibition this year. There's a lot of really beautiful things on display. We really hope that you find the time to come down and see the show. It opens on August the 8th, and it closes a week later, so welcome.
Hello, I'm Keith Frampton, part of the Howard County Woodworker Guild, and welcome to the Howard County Fair this year. Have some amazing entries in here and just very creative pieces that have been entered this year, and make sure you come down and see them. Let me show you a few of them here. We have here a number of boxes that Dave Nipper has made, and just some amazing pieces here. Have some amazing wood burning piece here that was done by a person here. Some beautiful carvings here, both caricature and bird carvings here. And some wood burning pieces from CNC and laser burning pieces here. Very creative pieces here on the a bowl within a board kind of turning that was done here. Here we have a teenage piece that done a nativity scene. Very nice work on that. Have some beautiful bowl and turning pieces on here this year. The non-carvers challenge here was some trays. Had some nice entries in the trade here. And Gary, who is not a member of the club, but he just some beautiful decoy carvings that he has done. And again, some more bowl pieces here. Here was a beautiful Celtic knot piece on a rolling pin. Got the first place here. Just a beautiful piece here on this. And anyway, just come and see the various pieces here. That I think you'll be very encouraged, both on youth entries as well as adult entries in the club.
Okay, so here's another piece that was entered by none other than our own David Knipter, and this is no surprise, this is a champion in its category. A beautiful box with very classic Dave style and different types of wood, double spleens here. Just a beautiful, beautiful piece.
Hi, I'm Mike Hevner. I'm part of the Howard County Woodworkers Guild, and as others have said, this is a great opportunity to come out and see some of the woodwork that is performed and created by members as well as other people in the Howard County community and other surrounding counties as well. But what we have here in this display case are some of the smaller items, and we got some down here on the left that are actually some of the items that were created by youth members, and others that were created as various types of wood, lots of different carvings as well this year. We've got feathers, we've got beautiful, even butterflies that have been carved by hand. It's just absolutely gorgeous and amazing pieces. Ships up here on top, we've got some carvings and intarsia pieces that are just immaculate and very well done. As a matter of fact, here, one of the county champions here. So it's just beautiful work. I hope you'll come out to the county fair this year and enjoy being part of it and see the scenes and enjoy the fair. Thank you.
Hi, Keith again here. I had a couple other things to talk about here. One of them is this beautiful, huge platter that one of our members turned here. And just a beautiful, beautiful piece, and very difficult to turn that large of a piece and keep it flat and nice uniform on that. The other thing is I did something a little bit different this year. I did this dragon in the library carving here in relief carving. And even the 3 books that the dragon is sitting on are wood, with some wood burning and coloring on that. So Definitely something interesting I have not done before, but come and see some different things. Mike already pointed out the intarsia pieces. They're just amazing here on that. And is the feather that Mike pointed out, that looks like a real feather. And the gentleman who did the decoy carvings did that feather too. It's just amazing here. We also have some other pieces here, some big furniture pieces and big carving pieces here. One of them is this gentleman always does an interesting carving piece here on this. And I don't know if you can get a good picture of this burl piece encapsulated in acrylic. Just an amazing, striking piece here on that. Had a couple youth entries here on some stools and this interesting art piece down here on the left. We also had a little library that someone had done this year, and a beautiful stool with walnut and light-colored wood on there, also on that. So, again, a lot to see here, a lot to get ideas for your future projects. So come and visit us at the fair.
All right, so here's another one. I don't know what it's called. I would call it What's for Breakfast? I mean, this is amazing. This is a fry pan, a couple slabs of bacon, and an egg. Looks like it's made out of walnut. That is a segmented bowl, which is pretty amazing. And came with its own stand. I have to say that's a pretty creative piece of work there.
I'm Ron Lambert. I'm a member of the Howard County Woodworkers Guild, but I also volunteer at the county fair every year. The guild does not actually run the woodworking section, but we contribute highly to it. I'd say about half the entries come from members, and a lot of people from the guild volunteer for it. This year we had 102 entries from 47 different people, which is about as good as we've done since the pandemic. We're hoping to increase on that next year, and next year I hope if you can, you'll participate. Thank you.